Please don't do that. What? Don't do these silly mistakes in your paintings. Firstly, when you have completed your painting, wash the palette properly. If you are painting with acrylic colors and left it like this overnight, then the colors would stick to the palette. You can see here. So clean your palettes properly. Secondly, if you have done a big painting, then put your brushes in hot water overnight. But if you left them undisturbed, then they will result like this. You can see this brush is totally spoiled. Thirdly, if you are using acrylic colors, bottle acrylic colors of any company like Fevicryl or anything else, don't paint through the bottle. Just take a color palette. I prefer Doms, which is easily affordable for everyone. You can see it just for 15 rupees. Also, if you don't have any color palette, you can use any disposable plate used in weddings, etc. Also, these are acrylic colors, so don't forget to close the lid tightly. Thirdly, don't paint over something when you have nothing to put under that because it can spoil the rug. So use some type of rug or cardboard, or you can buy this bukram sheet. It is very affordable and best for crafting purposes. If you want to test a color, then you can test on this, and also it would prevent your rug from being spoiled up with colors. So next, we would talk about the necessary things a painter must have. First is brushes. My brushes are still wet today. I cannot say today they are dipped in hot water. So these are my very old brushes, and you can see what has happened to this one. Next are colors. You may use acrylic colors, or if you are very beginner, then you can use poster colors of Doms. These are not very expensive. These are just rupees 80. You can see rupees 100 here. Also, if you want any further sheets, then you can use the 12 colors pack of this company, like this. This is for, you can see, 250 rupees. Also, if you want to purchase the poster colors from Doms, then you can purchase them from Camel, and these are for rupees 100. So price of poster and acrylic colors are same. Also, if you want to use tube colors, then you may use this Doms watercolor tubes. Basically, these are watercolors, not acrylic colors, so they will take time to dry. And this one set containing 12 colors, 5 ml each, are for 120 rupees. And there's also a color palette which comes free with it. This was everything about the colors. So I highly recommend the Fevicryl acrylic colors with 6 shades. Because if you buy Fevicryl acrylic colors of 10 shades, then it would be somewhat costly. But these are the best option to try acrylic painting if you are trying for the first time. And if you want to color with watercolor tubes, then you can definitely buy watercolor tubes from Doms. So this was everything I wanted to tell you about colors. So the third thing is, now you have paints and also you have brushes. So third thing is the surface to be painted. So if you are beginner, then you can use any type of, there's no precaution about that, any type of spiral notebook painting, as I would like to show you. I have painted like this and the paper is not messed up. So but if you are not so beginner, you know somewhat about painting, so you can use A3 notebooks that with this size of, so for the messing up. These are important because they have very thick paper and they will not mess up, they will not get messed up easily, So but if you want to paint like canvas, then you can use bukram sheet or recycled paper, like this painting is done on recycled paper, Also, this painting is also done on recycled paper. You see, recycled paper is very, very cheap and affordable, so you can use that instead of canvas. But canvas sheets, canvas pads and stretch canvas all are very costly if compared to these recycled. So now you have brushes, you have paints, and you have coloring surface. So being a beginner, you need not to use varnish, gesso, etc. Just paint freely and with patience. Patience is the key to success in the process of painting. So I'll now explain the process of painting. Let me show you one of my paintings. I'm really messy. So my every painting is almost messed up. Here is it. So in this painting, firstly I did pencil sketch, which is the most important thing you have to do in a painting. Firstly, you have to do a rough sketch of a painting with 4H or HB or maximum B pencil, After that, outline it with a marker, or if you want to give it a realistic look, then you can avoid this outlining. Then you have to color the important surfaces like this and this, the broad surfaces first. Then minor details are to be added. Completed your painting, place it somewhat far from you and see. Is it better? Have you improved? So, if you find some mistake in your painting, like in my painting, the face shape is somewhat tilted, so I'll fix it. Therefore, I'll highly suggest you to be patient, not be quick, because it would only result in messing up of your painting, your paints, and your brushes. Then you can give shadow type effect in the in here or everywhere you it seems to you that shadow is needed here. So when you have completed a painting, don't be so fast. Just take a look on your color palette, and obviously your brushes, you have to wash them with too much patience, because brushes are the main stationery, you may say, for the painting. And if they are spoiled once, like I'll give an example in a previous video, then they would be of no use. You can see this paintbrush had too much color in its bristles. So if a paintbrush is so much spoiled, then you can place it in hot water for overnight. They will get okay the next morning. So this is for the painting and for the palettes and for the brushes. Also, if you want to preserve the painting, then you needn't cut it, but you have painted on a different paper which is not binded in a notebook. So what have to do? Please keep a plastic envelope for your paintings. Once you have completed a painting, just tear that off and place it into the plastic envelope and close it. This would prevent your paintings from being get spoiled. So this is for today. Hope you like it.